Hello, this is Matthias with the Fall 2019 EFWA team. Now in this video I'm just going to navigate you through our 3 VPS servers that are running the project, and I'll talk about a little bit about all the relevant directories and projects that are being run. So here are the labels for each server. We have VPS 0, VPS 1, and VPS 2. Now VPS 0 is the staging server, VPS 1 is the production server, and then all 3 servers share the VPS API files for both pre-production and production. Now the color coding is yellow for staging and blue for production. So here we can see that we have the website. Let me use the pen here. We have the staging website and the staging database on VPS 0. VPS 1, we have the production website and the production database. So on VPS 0, this is all the this website is going to be running all the code on the develop branch of the project, and this will be running from the master branch of the project. Okay, and VPS 2 doesn't host any website, it just hosts the VPS API. Now the reason all 3 servers are running the VPS APIs is because all 3 servers are hosting the 4x data folders, and these are the data folders that actually communicate with and run the MetaTrader terminals, which are pretty much the core of this project. The terminals that actually run the expert advisors on behalf of the 4x accounts. So wherever you have a 4x data folder, you need to have an API to communicate with it. So you'll see that on each server we have the staging 4x data folder, and we have the staging API, and same with production. And these are going to communicate with each other, and this API is a middleman in between the website and the data folders and running terminals. Okay, so that's basically what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and dive into VPS 0. So here on VPS 0, I have all of the important directories pulled up here. So here is where the actual hosted projects are. EFRT right here is the website and the website's API. The VPS pre-production. This is all the API code from the develop branch, and in the VPS production we have all the code from the master branch. Now here are the actual 4x data folders. I'm not going to talk about what's going on in these data folders. I just wanted to show you where they are. So we have data folders for the staging, and we have data folders for production. And the directories are just about the same. The only difference is for the staging, you're going to be in the EFRT VPS pre-prod user. And for the production, you're going to be in the EFRT VPS production user. All right, that's the only difference, but the rest of the directory is the same convention, and the data folders themselves are all the same. These are just going to be up to date with the develop branch, whereas these are up to date with the master branch. All right. In another video, which I'll link to in the description, I'm going to talk about the actual CI/CD, where commits to the to GitHub actually trigger the deployment to each server and to each data folder. But yeah, you'll see that in another video. Now, in VPS 1, it looks very similar. The only difference in VPS 1, this website is from the master branch instead of the develop branch. All right, but these 2 directories for the VPS are both the exact same projects being run. And the data folders the Forex data folders are also the exact same. You'll see here, this is the staging data folders in the FRVPS pre-prod user. But if we actually go back and go into the FRVPS user, we go to, nope, I gotta go on view, hidden files, go to app data, roaming, MetaCoach terminal. Now we're seeing all the production data folders. All right. Now let's go to VPS 2. Now, if you don't know about actually logging into remotely to the server, I made a really brief, quick video showing you how to do that. But I imagine Masood already explained all that to you. But if not, I'll have that video linked in the description as well. Now in VPS 2, let's go to the inetpub directory. We'll go to here. And now you see there's no effort here because VPS 2 isn't hosting the website. VPS 2 is only hosting the VPS APIs. And as I mentioned before, the reason it's hosting these APIs is because those APIs are needed to communicate with the actual data folders. Alright, so here, just like the other servers, we have the pre-production data folders, and we also have, if we just change that name there, we see the production data folders. All right, so it's all very consistent between all the servers. I just wanted to show you where the directories physically are. They'll be explained in further detail in other videos. But that's the brief overview of the actual servers, and I hope that made some sense to you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will be more than willing to help navigate you through, getting started with this project, because I know it's not easy and it's a lot to grasp. So yeah, please reach out to me. And thank you for watching.